In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download all leads in Meta Business Suite. We'll go through this process step by step so you can easily export your leads and work with them in tools like Excel, Google Sheets, or your CRM. Make sure you're already logged into the correct Facebook account that has access to your business assets before you start. First, open your browser and go to Meta Business Suite. You can do this by typing business.facebook.com into the address bar and pressing enter. If you manage more than one business, double check that you've selected the right business from the drop-down at the top of the screen. This helps ensure you're exporting leads from the correct page or ad account. Once Meta Business Suite has loaded, look for the option called All Tools. This is usually found in the left-hand menu, or sometimes under a menu icon if your screen is smaller. Go ahead and click on All Tools. This expands a full list of features that Meta Business Suite offers, including posts, ads, audiences, and of course, leads. From this expanded list, find and click on Lead Center. The wording may sometimes appear as Lead Center depending on your region, but it's the same tool. When you open the Lead Center, you'll see a dashboard that shows all the leads generated from your lead forms, such as Facebook lead ads or Instagram lead ads connected to that business. You may also see filters for things like date ranges, forms, or statuses. If you want to narrow down which leads you're downloading, adjust those filters now before you export. Next, look towards the top right section of the Lead Center page. You're looking for a small download icon. It usually looks like a downward arrow or a similar symbol indicating export or download. Click on this download icon. When you do, Meta will prepare a file containing your leads data. Depending on your setup, it will typically export as a CSV file, which you can open in spreadsheet applications. After clicking download, your browser will either save the file automatically to your default downloads folder or prompt you to choose a location. Once the file has downloaded, you can open it and review all your leads, including the information they submitted through your forms. That's all you need to do to download all leads in Meta Business Suite. If you plan to do this regularly, it's a good idea to repeat these steps on a schedule